There's about two ways people get a malware or a virus on their computer. The first one is when you download the software from the internet. The second one is when you click on a link inside an email that you received on your personal account email, be it from Gmail, Google, or Yahoo email, one of your personal account emails. So I give you an example. I have a PayPal account. This PayPal is a site for payments, and I did receive an email that this is my personal email here. So I did receive an email from PayPal, looks like from PayPal, and it says upcoming changes to your PayPal legal agreements, and inside it says something has changed, or maybe you have to change something to your account, or you may just ask you to go to your account and read something, because every time they make these emails appear very normal with all the signature, all the things here, your name somewhere inside the email, and you will think, oh, this must be really from PayPal or something like that. And that's where people get scammed. So my advice is never ever click on any of these links, on any of these emails coming from PayPal, or maybe from eBay, or maybe from your employer, or maybe from your government, or maybe from your tax department or something like this. My advice, instead of trying to click on these links, is go on Google and go on the original, on the official site for that specific company, be it again PayPal, Gmail, eBay, whatever it is. So instead of clicking here, go on Google. On this case, I will go on the PayPal site, paypal.com. I will log into my account and I will check if I did receive this same email into the email on the PayPal account. So that's how you check if an email is legit or not, if it's a spam or not, if it's dangerous or not. Every single email that you receive from a company is going to be available on the site of that company into your account of that site. So it's very easy to stay safe, actually, if you really pay attention and always use the official site for all these companies.